Welcome back to the channel Mr. Wheel Wonders. Today we're diving into something truly special. The 2026 Honda Step Wgn Camper, a compact adventure machine that's been turning heads and changing the way people think about lightweight camping. If you've ever dreamed of owning a vehicle that can handle both your daily commute and your weekend escapes without compromise, this one is going to grab your attention. Honda has taken everything people love about the Step Wgn and transformed it into a surprisingly capable micro-camper that blends practicality, efficiency, and comfort in a way that feels tailor-made for modern travelers. The 2026 model keeps the familiar boxy silhouette of the Step Wgn, but the camper conversion introduces subtle design tweaks that make it feel more rugged and ready for long-distance exploration. The new LED lighting signature gives it a sharper, more modern expression, and the optional adventure package adds roof rails, a modular carrier system, and extra exterior cladding. Even though it's still compact, the stance feels wider and more planted, giving you confidence whether you're navigating tight city streets or winding into a forest campground. Under the hood, Honda continues its hybrid strategy with a powertrain that delivers plenty of torque at low speeds, perfect for those slow crawls through campsites or up mountain roads. It's not meant to be an off-road beast, but it is designed to get you off the beaten path without stress. Fuel efficiency remains one of the biggest selling points, and early tests show that even when fully loaded with camping gear, the Step Wgn Camper keeps consumption impressively low. For travelers trying to cut fuel costs while still enjoying freedom on the road, that alone makes this model a standout. But of course, the magic of this vehicle is its interior. Honda has approached the camper layout with an incredible emphasis on modularity. When you open the sliding doors, you're greeted by a flexible living space that can quickly adapt between passenger mode and full camping mode. By day, you have comfortable seating, built-in storage compartments, a lightweight fold-out table, and hidden utility features like charging ports and integrated lighting. By night, the seats fold into a flat, surprisingly spacious bed that fits two adults comfortably. The cushions are memory foam layered, so you get far more comfort than what you'd expect from a compact camper. One of the standout features is the new smart cabin system. It uses a set of modular cubes that lock into rails along the floor, letting you configure the interior exactly how you need it. Want extra seating? Slide in a bench module. Need more gear storage? Swap it for the utility cube. Planning to cook on the go? There's a compact kitchen module with an induction stove, small sink, and a portable fridge that tucks neatly against the side wall. Everything is designed to be lightweight and easy to move, so one person can transform the interior in just minutes. Honda has also included a new panoramic rear window system that can switch between clear, tinted, or privacy mode at the touch of a button. Combined with the cabin's LED ambient lighting, the space feels much more upscale than you'd expect in a camper of this size. For power, the Step Wgn Camper includes an onboard 1.5 kWh auxiliary battery with optional solar roof panels, giving you enough juice to run your lights, fridge, and devices overnight without worrying about draining the main battery. The rear hatch area has also been redesigned for camping convenience. When lifted, it acts as a rain shelter, and the integrated outdoor table folds down to create a functional cooking or workspace. Honda even added multiple mounting points for tarps or awnings, making it easy to expand your outdoor living area. The thoughtful touches continue with hidden storage for chairs, tools, and cables, all neatly organized so nothing rattles or shifts while driving. Driving the Step Wgn Camper feels smooth, quiet, and surprisingly powerful for a hybrid minivan. The steering is light but precise, and the suspension has been tuned to handle both everyday driving and the extra load of camping equipment. Visibility is excellent thanks to the tall windshield and large side windows, and the newly updated driver assist suite makes long road trips easier and safer. The 2026 Honda Step Wgn Camper isn't trying to compete with giant RVs or hardcore off-road rigs. Instead, it offers something far more versatile: a compact, efficient, comfortable, and customizable camper that anyone can drive, park, and enjoy without hassle. It's perfect for couples, solo travelers, or small families who want adventure without sacrificing convenience. If you've been looking for an affordable entry point into camper life, Honda may have just delivered the perfect option. If you'd like, I can also write a shorter version, a more energetic version, or a narration-ready script with pauses and emphasis.